Did you ever wake up and ask yourself, what now? As if you've reached some sort of an existential impasse. What now? Is this it? My name is Fethia Sabrina Farhani. I am a medical doctor, a digital creator, and honestly, I'll always be the person to tell you, life is motion or nothing at all. My What Now moment brought me around the world, from Chiang Mai to Penang, from Luxor to Kosovo, now to the City of Lights, Paris. Je suis une Parisienne maintenant. Le café, les croissants, les restos, les expos, les musées, les sorties, la Tour Eiffel, les parcs. I get to live my own French fantasy. Don't ever let anyone project on you their fears or limitations. وما تخلي حد يقولك شنو تنجم وما تنجمش تعمل. And if you wanna leave, just leave. Don't look for happiness in cities, machines, or people. Look for happiness in you. Let the cities be the magical setup, the machines be the vector, and the people be the companion to the life you're meant to live.